Hi everybody, my name's Sean. I make pins. Today I'm going to show you how I set up my zeros with my tools. Just the Z zeros to make life easy. Not the X, because you got to do that when the tools wear out a little bit, when your inserts wear out and stuff. So today I'm just going to show you Z offsets. This is a Tormach Slant Pro 15L. Alright, so I already cut my face. It's already zero. Alright, right there. That is already, I cut this, that's zero. This is where I have zero on my machine. And the only reason I'm messing with any of this is because I moved a couple of tools a little bit farther out so I can cut deeper with them. Alright, so I'm going to make the right edge of my parting tool zero. Alright, so what I like to do is get some loops so I can see how close the edge is, and that might be off a thou, so let's okay, I like that. That's zero. Alright. And then what I'm going to do is come over here on my machine. We're going to come over here on this. I've got the parting tool set up. It's tool 2. Right now it thinks we're 3/10,000ths past zero, which is pretty dang good. A zero. So you hit zero there and touch Z twice. Alright. And then we're going to go 5, because that's that drill bit. Do I have a 3? What I like to do here is get a little bit of brass shim stock. This is 2/1000ths. 2/1000ths, 1/1000ths thick, that's what I meant. 1/1000ths thick, 0.001. And get that close. And what I'm going to do is get a little closer. I'm going to stick that in there, and I'm going to just do this until it doesn't that bit. So that's 1/1000 distance. Then I'm going to come back on my machine, and instead of hitting 0, I'm going to put it positive 1/1000ths. So positive 0, 0, 110, 0, 0, 1/1000. There we go. That's tool number 5. That's a drill bit. Now we're going to do number 6, which is a boring bar. That thing. Yay, this is fun. So we're going to go move that away. We're going to do the same exact thing with all of these except for the threaders. Put this in there. Go on. This will take about 5 minutes to do this. Oh, that's a bite. So double checking them. I moved it out about 60 thou. So this is the same. So we're just going to do this twice. See, and now the machine believes that the face of this tool is at 1/1000 out. When it starts to cut, it'll be at 0. Tool number 5, 4. Tool number 4. Yeah, I know they're not in order, doesn't matter. 4 is my internal threader. And I'm going to eyeball this one with the loops. I'm going to get it just inside that hole. and I'm going to line up the point with the face, and then I'm just going to call that one 0. And what I'd like to do is get a light, and then I can look at the silhouette. Yeah, that'll work. And then I can kind of gotta get the thing lined up, gotta get my eyeballs lined up. That's 0, close enough to 0. Alright, that's number 4. This is number 60. It's the same as this but smaller, so we're gonna call it, we call it 60. I'm going to do the same thing. Get in there. Alright, that is 1 thou. And then we're going to go to number 7, which is external threading. And I'm going to line up the point with the face, visually. And this one I don't think I'm going to bother with loops. There's 0. Alright. And then we're going to do the drill bits. This is number 8, this is number 9. Number 8. I have to tell the offsets tab that's tool number 8, otherwise I'll just reset the numbers on that one and that would suck. How am I moving the thing over so little at a time? I'm using the jogging wheel. This thing here, hit Z to go left and right, and it's at 1,000ths increments here, and then I just use this little wheel in the middle and turn it. So then we're going to be back at 0.001 for 8, and then 9 we're going to do the same thing. Alright, and now let's get... Now these should be pretty close to the same. They won't be, but they are going to be close. Because I tried to get them all the same distance from here to here. Or something like that. No, just the faces. Yeah, I'm 7/10,000ths far to the right with this one than this one. 7/10 thou is less than 1 thou. That's pretty dang good. So we're going to go, and now the machine thinks it's at 0 again. Or 0.001, that's 1 thou. Now, thanks for watching.